Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about subtraction. So how to do subtraction in Excel. So as you know, this is called ribbon and this is the sheet. So select one cell and write equal to, write 40 minus 20. So what is the output? 20 will be the output. So this is how we can do subtraction. And we can do like this also, equal to a1 minus a2. So then you will get the 5 as the output. So in this way also we can do subtraction operation. And to control A and just delete it. And I will give some data here. So here I will give 100 and here I will give 20, 15, 10 and 5. So how can you subtract this? So you can subtract using equal to a1 minus a2 minus a3 minus a4 minus a5. So in this way we can, so here not, okay, can press a5, a6 also. Yeah. So based upon this thing, you will get the result. So that is the result. That is the result. So now I want to like 30 value. Where it is B1. So I want to log the B1. So by using absolute reference, I log the I want to log the 30. I want to log the 30 or here. So here, okay. So suppose I did this thing. So instead of 30, 5, give 5. Give 5. Yeah, now it's correct. So now I want to log this 5 as the absolute reference. So how can you do it? Just you have to do equal to a1 minus what is b1, right? So dollar b $1. So what will happen? The b will be logged and we will get the answer as 95. We will get the answer as 95. And we want the answer for whole thing, right? See, we got all the answers. We got all the answers. 25, 20 minus 5, 15. 20 minus 5, 15. 15 minus 5, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. And 5 minus 5, 0. So this is how we can do the subtraction operations in Excel using absolute reference. So I hope you understand a simple arithmetic operation, which is subtraction in using Excel. So that's it, friends. It's a simple video about how to do subtraction in Excel. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.